friends, welcome back to another episode of Explosion. Today I am going to show you how to make a non-stop bottle fountain. First I am going to take these two bottles. Now I am going to remove the cap of the two bottles. Now I am going to put glue on top of this cap. Now I'm going to stick it on the other cap. So I have put two holes on the cap. Now I'm going to connect these two straws. First, I need to cut the bottom part. So now I have cut it over here. Now I'm going to connect it. Now I'm going to put hot glue gun on the place where I connected. Now we need to put this big straw through the hole. Now I am going to put glue. Now I am going to put the straw through the cap. So now I'm going to put the straws inside the bottle. So now I'm going to make a little hole on the bottom of the bottle. So I made a hole in the bottle. Now I'm going to fix it. Now I'm going to cut the bottle till here. So I have cutted the bottle and also I have made a cap with two holes. Now I'm going to put it on top over here. So now I'm going to put this straw into the bottle. So now I'm going to put glue near the bottle cap. I'm going to cut the lengthy one over here. Now I'm going to fix this bottle cap.